Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to the Aliens Vlog and Math Tutorials. For today, we are going to study about greatest common factor or what we call GCF. We are now going to study greatest common factor. The objectives of this lesson are number one, discuss greatest common factor. Number two, identify the greatest common factor of the given numbers. Again, number one, discuss the greatest common factor. Identify the greatest common factor of the given numbers. Always remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. What is greatest common factor? Greatest common factor, it is the highest number that divides exactly into two or more numbers. The highest number that divides exactly into two or more numbers. We also need to talk about factors. Factors are numbers that we can multiply together to get another number. Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. Let's now try to check how do we get the greatest common factor of the given numbers. In finding the greatest common factor, we find all factors of both numbers. Then find the ones that are common to both. It must be the greatest common. It must be the greatest common factor. Let's have an example. Find the greatest common factor of 25 and 35. We will now be looking for the factors of 25 and the factors of 35. Question: what are the factors of 25? The factors of 25 are 1 times 25 and 5 times 5. So those are the factors of 25. Next one. What are the factors of 35? The factors of 35 are 1 multiplied by 35 and 5 multiplied by 7. 1 times 35 is 35. 5 times 7 is 35. These are the factors of 35 and these are the factors of 5. Question: what is the common to both numbers? What common factor do we have? That is 5. And it is the greatest common factor. That's why the greatest common factor of 25 and 35 is 5. As simple as that. We just simply find all the factors on both numbers, then we find the ones that are common to both. It must be the greatest common. Let's have another example. Find the greatest common factor of 30 and 80. Find the greatest common factor of 30 and 80. On this part, we will just be looking for the factors of 30 and 80. What are those? What are the factors of 30? The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, and 30. It can be like this one. 1 multiplied by 30, that's 30. 2 multiplied by 15, that's 30. 3 multiplied by 10, that is 30. How about for 80? The factors of 80 are 1 times 80, that's 80. 2 multiplied by 40, it's 80. 4 multiplied by 20, it's 80. 8 multiplied by 10, it's 80. Question: what common factor do 30 and 80 have? Both of them have a common factor which is 10. That's why the greatest common factor of 30 and 80 is 10 because both 30 and 10 are divisible by both 30 and 80 are divisible by 10. That's why the greatest common factor of 30 and 80 is 10. Let's try another example. Find the greatest common factor of 16 and 24. First, we find all the factors of both numbers. Then find the ones that are common to both. It must be the greatest common factor. 16, what are the factors of 16? It can be 1 multiplied by 16, 2 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 4, that's 16. How about for 24? The factors of 24 are 1 multiplied by 24, 2 multiplied by 12, 3 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 6. Question: We have here a lot of common factors such as 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 8 and 8. Question: which is the greatest common factor? The greatest common factor is 8 because it is the greatest common factor of 16 and 24. Both 16 and 24 are divisible by 8. That's why the greatest common factor of 16 and 24 is 8. Another example. You try this one on your own. Find the greatest common factor of 36 and 54. Find the greatest common factor of 36 and 54. I'll be giving you enough time to solve it. You may now start to answer it. Okay, let's solve all together. What are the factors of 36? The factors of 36 are 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 multiplied by 12, 6 multiplied by 6. These are the factors of 36. Next one, what are the factors of 54? The factors of 54 are 1 multiplied by 54, 2 multiplied by 27, that's 54, 3 multiplied by 18, that is 54, 6 multiplied by 9, that is 54. Question: which is the greatest common factor? We have a lot of common factors such as 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 6 and 6, 18 and 18, but we are looking for the greatest common factor, which is 18. That's why the greatest common factor of 36 and 54 is 18. That is our final answer. Let's have another example. Try this one on your own. Find the greatest common factor of 24, 12, and 42. Find the greatest common factor of 24, 12, and 42. I'll be giving you enough time to solve it. Okay, let's answer all together. What are the factors of 24? The factors of 24 are 1 multiplied by 24, 2 multiplied by 12, 3 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 6. What are the factors of 12? 1 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4. Next one. What are the factors of 42? The factors of 42 are 1 multiplied by 42, 2 multiplied by 21, 3 multiplied by 14, 6 multiplied by 7. Question: which is the greatest common factor? 24, 12, and 42 has a lot of common factors, such as 1 and 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 6. But we are looking for the greatest common factor, that is 6. The greatest common factor of 24, 12, and 42 is 6. That is our final answer. Oh, we're finished with our tutorial for today. I hope you learned how to find the greatest common factor of the given numbers. Thank you for watching. Just like what I always tell you, always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem there is a solution. Students, do not give up. Do not lose hope. Keep moving forward. Everything has a solution. Thank you for your time. God bless you. Bye.